Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful slimline card, and I'll be using the brand new butterfly hot foil plates as well as the Celebrate Word die, the slimline waves die, and I chose this paper from the Glorious Sky paper pack. I also brought in silver foil sheet as well as a purple cardstock for my stash. I will be foiling these butterflies with silver foil on my light purple cardstock. And when I put the foil down, I put the matte side up and the mirror side down because it's just easier for me to remember it that way. And here it is on real time, and it is so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut these out, and here are all the elements I'm bringing in. I went ahead and fussy cut the butterflies off camera, and I've gone ahead and die cut the slimline waves die on the light purple cardstock, and I also die cut the sky paper that I chose because I'll be insetting that in my waves die cut, as you can see there. And what I like about this Slim Waves die is that it has very nice stitching on there. So that is also why I chose the Celebrate die, because the shadow part or the matte part of the Celebrate also has stitching on there, which I thought complemented this card nicely. And I guess you could say this is either a tone on tone or a monochromatic card, because I try to pick colors that are soft, and I left it as Celebrate because later on, if maybe I can send this as a birthday card, or maybe it can be like a wedding card. So you can put a sentiment strip at the bottom of this, but I decided to leave it blank because, that way it can be a card that I'll have in my stash, and it'll be versatile. And I've gone ahead and ran the Thin Celebrate word through my mini Xyron machine. And be careful when you're peeling this. I didn't really burnish it down nicely with my bone folder. So make sure that if you do use your Xyron sticker machine, that you do burnish down the word and as well as, the sticker part. That way, when you peel it off, it doesn't rip. Luckily here, it didn't rip on me. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put this on top of the shadow word die that I also die cut earlier. And here's the finished product. You can't really see, but later on in the end, you'll be able to see the stitch detail from the Celebrate die. And I chose to only use 3 of the butterflies. I decided to save the large one for another project in the future, because I just felt like the large one would really overpower the front of this card. So I just chose these 3 cards, and here I'm just trying to place it where it's pleasing to my eye, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere that. And I didn't pop anything up because I just thought that the card looked really nice flat. And then just a warning that my video did get cut off. So after I do place my Celebrate word here, it'll go straight to the pictures. But I did add some bling to this. I added some silver mirrored confetti. So just a warning that if it does cut off, I do apologize. And so here I am. I decided to run the Celebrate word die through my Xyron sticker machine again. That way, when I do place this on there, I know that it is fully covered with adhesive. So here's the finished product. I did put some silver confetti sequins on this, and I think it really finishes the card off. And maybe later on, you can add a nice sentiment strip. So for more Whimsy Stamps inspiration, you can visit us on the links down below. And I hope to see you guys there. Thanks so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.